Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing Turbo VPN and granting the essential permissions. Do that now so the app can create a secure tunnel. Once installed, sign in or create an account, use a secure email, and enable basic settings. Make sure you pick the country you need for YouTube access before connecting, because your region selection determines available content and speed. This gets you immediately into the app and ready for the connection step without extra setup delay. Now connect. Choose a server that balances location and latency. Nearer servers usually yield higher streaming speed while chosen country affects content. Once done, tap Connect and wait for the secure indicator. Make sure to enable a kill switch or auto-reconnect in settings to protect privacy if the VPN drops. This prevents accidental exposure of your real IP. Finally, open YouTube and load a short video to confirm playback quality and region behavior before you continue watching longer content. To finish, optimize settings and handle common issues. If streaming buffers or resolves at low quality, switch to a less crowded server or move to a different city in the same country for better throughput. If playback still stalls, clear YouTube cache or restart your device and then reconnect Turbo VPN. This often resolves stubborn DNS or session issues. If nothing helps, update Turbo VPN or contact support before reinstalling. One key tip: always test another server first. That fixes most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.